We're ESD Gear, and today we want to introduce you to our brand new multi-tool, the ESD Shovel. The shovel is a lightweight, packable, ultra-capable 18-in-1 hardworking tool that's the perfect companion for any adventure. The ESD Shovel comes with a compact carrying pouch that fits easily into any backpack. It is also easy to assemble, and its military-grade aluminum handle ensures that it won't weigh you down. We've added a durable foam-like grip that makes it fun and easy to work with. The shovel has a hardened high-carbon steel spade, so it is built to last, no matter how you use it. But it wasn't just built for adventure, because it comes with many practical and important life-saving tools. Keep it in your car or truck so that if disaster strikes, you're always ready to go. The shovel is adventure tested, from traditional camping to hiking to survival readiness. We know what it takes to make an adventure great, and tools are a big part of that. Which is why we included all of the essentials such as a shovel, knife, axe, compass, saw, fire starter, screwdriver, whistle, and more. We call it the world's most capable tool because the ESD Shovel is built to do it all and help you to have fun while doing it.
The Lifeline Steel is an evolution on the Lifeline personal water filter. It features a lightweight, durable stainless steel body with advanced two-stage filtration. The first stage of filtration is the activated carbon, which filters 100 liters and is replaceable. This improves the taste of water while reducing chemicals and pesticides. The second stage of the filtration process is the encapsulated 0.2 micron hollow fiber membrane filter. This filters 1,000 liters, which is 264 gallons, and removes virtually all bacteria and protozoa from water, including Giardia, E. coli, Cryptosporidium, and Salmonella. Weighing only 4.4 ounces, the Lifeline Steel is perfect for travel, backpacking, or emergency preparedness. The Lifeline Steel contains no chemicals such as iodine and uses no batteries or moving parts. To use the Lifeline Steel, simply remove the caps and insert the filter into your water source. Wait 5 to 10 seconds as the water seeps into the filter, and then begin to draw water through the mouthpiece. You can either use a water bottle or drink straight from the source. The flow rate is quite high. It's like drinking through a thick straw. When you're finished drinking, simply blow the water out to backflush and clean the filter, and then put the caps back on.
Ideal for fishing, waterfowl hunting, backpacking, and hiking, the Sportsman 100 Medical Kit lets you head outdoors in any environment and contains essential first aid supplies in a lightweight, waterproof medical kit. The inner resealable Dry-Flex bag is 100% waterproof, while the outer bag, waterproof nylon, seals water out with taped seams and a durable water-repellent treatment. Inside, you'll find Adventure Medical Kit's exclusive pamphlet, a quick guide to wilderness first aid, with first aid instruction to help you treat the most common and serious injuries. To clean and close larger wounds like those caused by knives or fishhooks, use high-quality tools including an irrigation syringe and butterfly closure bandages. The elastic bandage with Velcro closure is great for holding splints and dressings in place. You'll find easy-to-apply pre-cut and shaped moleskin pieces to treat hot spots and blisters. The Sportsman 100 includes medications to treat allergic reactions, itches, pain and fever, and inflammation. Cuts and scrapes supplies include our exclusive Easy Open technology, easy access bandages, antibiotic ointment, antiseptic wipe, and alcohol wipes. Stop bleeding with the 5-inch by 9-inch trauma pad. Safely remove ticks and splinters with specially designed splinter tick remover forceps. The Sportsman Series medical kits provide you with the highest quality first aid supplies and medical information based on the most current guidelines in wilderness emergency medicine. Be prepared for your next adventure.
Meet Vessel Camp Supplies. It contains 70 pieces of essential gear, all perfectly organized into 8 neatly labeled screw-top containers and housed inside an indestructible, waterproof LED light. Each Vessel Camp is completely watertight and made from military-grade aluminum, keeping all the gear inside secure and dry. Vessel Camp Supplies, the world's most versatile outdoor adventure kit. It will change how you prepare for outdoor adventures forever.
The NanoHeat Blanket is the ultimate travel blanket. It delivers soft, heat-reflective warmth and dry comfort in a light, compactable blanket that you will use and reuse again and again. You can use it camping, throw it on the ground at a concert or picnic, wrap it around you to keep warm, or keep it in your backpack or purse, just in case you get chilly later on. The NanoHeat Blanket is the perfect all-in-one blanket that is easy to carry with you everywhere, providing you warmth with 80% heat-reflective coating on one side to reflect your body heat back to you to keep you warm and comfortable. The NanoHeat is also water-resistant and windproof, with a durable water-repellent finish that sheds raindrops and spills to keep you dry and warm, and the blanket clean. The blanket is extremely compact and packs into an easy-to-carry bag that fits into the palm of your hand and weighs a mere 6.8 ounces. The NanoHeat is the perfect all-in-one blanket to take with you on your next adventure. Whether traveling, camping, watching a ball game, or just hanging out at the park, the NanoHeat is the perfect companion to help keep you warm and dry. Unlike other bulky blankets, the NanoHeat is ultra-compact, packing into the palm of your hand, and so lightweight you won't even notice it in your bag.